Assalamualaikum dear friends. Today I'm here to explain and telling that how to use random number table for normal distribution. That's the last lecture of using a random number table. How to use random number table for binomial distribution. How to use random number table for Poisson distribution. I have already discussed. Must watch these lectures also, which are available in description below the video. And that's for normal distribution. That lecture is very important for you. That lecture each step I will discuss conceptually. So must watch this lecture completely till end if you want to get more concept. So let's start the lecture. Here's the given example of that. With the help of random numbers, I have made our random number table, which is available in page number 8 of Sheikh Muhammad Chaudhary book part 2. Random number table I have made, and this is the table of normal standard normal probabilities, which is available in Sheikh Muhammad Chaudhary part 1 book. I will use as tables. Now with the help of random numbers, draw a sample of 25 size from a normal distribution with mu and sigma, which are the parameters of normal distribution. Very simple. First of all, I will discuss normal distribution, then I will move to random numbers. Very simple step. Now next moving for solution here for normal distribution. We already know that for normal distribution, the range of classes, are mu plus minus 3 sigma. We already know that for normal distribution, the range of classes are mu plus minus 3 sigma. Very simple step. But here, we given here mu is 60 and sigma is 2.5. Very simple step. I put that value here. Mu is 60 plus minus 3 as it is. Sigma is given here 2.5. Sigma is standard deviation and mu is mean. Standard deviation sigma is given 2.5. 2.5. Now calculating here, just simple step here. 60 plus 3 bracket 2.5. First of all, I will calculate. Next, 60 minus 3 bracket 2.5 I will calculate. Very simple step. I am calculating here. Next here 60 minus 3 multiplied by 2.5. We get that value 52.5. 52.5. Next moving 60 plus. Now I'm getting the intervals for classes. 60 plus 3 multiplied by 2.5. 60 plus 3 over 2.5, we get a value 67.5. So I'm clear concept that the classes will made. It will be 52.5 to 67.5. That is lower interval. We can say that lower interval, and then is upper interval. Very simple step. Now next step is here we will make here classes. Next step is here we will make here classes from 52.5 up to 52.5 to upper over 67.5. I will here. So we have made the classes. We will make the classes from 52.5 to 67.5. But we have not cleared the class interval. Class interval, which is h. We denoted by h, is not given. In here that question, class interval is not given. Class interval will be here. Then we'll make the classes. You know that in presentation of data, we make the classes, but we have a class interval. But in that question, is the class interval is not given. So we will have to calculate. Class interval. We already know that when we calculate class interval, we will make the steps of making frequency distribution. We already know that in presentation of data, a frequency distribution. We already know that how can we calculate for finding h. For finding class interval, we will have to make the steps of frequency distribution. There are three steps, very easy. From that, we can calculate class interval. Very easy step. Let's move here. Next step is very easy. Range is equal to maximum value minus minimum value. That is maximum value, that is minimum value. Here is given that dash is lower, we can say that minimum value, dash is upper, we can say that maximum value. Very simple. Upper value, maximum value is here 67.5 minus minimum value, lower value is 52.5. Now we calculating here 67.5 minus 52.5. 52.5. 67.5 minus 52.5. We get that value 15. Next step is 15.0. You can say that 15.0. Next step. Next step is here approximate number of groups. Approximate number of groups. Very simple step is equal to 1 plus 3.3 log n. That's the step of. Second step, approximate number of groups is equal to 1 plus 3.3 log n. That's a formula for that. Next, 1 plus 3.3 log as it is. Here we have number of values. N is the sample size. It is given that a sample of 25. Here is given sample size is given here 25. Sample size is given 25. We will put here 25. Very simple step. 1 plus as it is 3.3 as it is. We will calculate log 25. Very simple step. Now calculating log 25. Log 25 we will calculating here 1.39. 1.3979. Very simple step we calculating. Log 25 will calculate, we get that value 1.3979. Next step is very simple, multiply by 3.3, multiply by 3.3, multiply by 3.3 plus 1. We get that value 5.613. We get that value here, number first step. Last step is calculating, before which we calculate class interval. Class interval is equal to range divided by number of groups. Next step is the range divided by number of groups is equal to range we calculated here 15.0. 15.0 divided by, we get that value 5.613. Now dividing that 15.0 divided by 5.613, we get that class interval 2. So we have with class interval we give it here. I have calculated class interval. So must remember that when we calculate class interval, we use the steps of making frequency distribution. Range, approximate of groups, class interval. From that, I have calculated class interval. I hope that you have clear concept in that. First of all, calculating that here is class interval we calculated. Class interval is calculated here. Now moving to the next point. Class interval I have calculated 2. Now making the next step is here making the classes. Now moving that making the classes. Next step is very important for you. 52.5 to up to 67.5. So here class interval is given here 2. Class interval is given here 2. Very simple step. Now making that classes. Very simple step. First of all, I am making here classes. Next step we are calculating here classes. Very simple step. First of all, I will write here up to given here value is 67.5, 67.5 and 52.5. 52.5 lower value and 67.5 upper value up to 52.5. Now next moving making the classes up to 52.5 and we have to move that 67.5. Very simple. Here we will put here 52.5. Next, here calculate class interval is given here to very simple. 52.5 plus 2 will be 54.5. Next, 54.5 plus 2 will be 56.5. 58.5. Next step 60.5, 62.5. Next step will be 64.5. Now with the next step. Next step is very simple. Now making the classes 52.5 plus 54.5. 52.5 plus 54.5. Next 54.5 plus 2, that's our lower class boundary, that's our upper class boundary. Next 56.5. Next 58.5. Next 60.5. And next will be 62.5. Next 64.5. Next 66.5. We can say that over last value is 66.5, which is approximate 67.5. We are making that classes. Now moving that classes. I hope that you are clear to separate the first of all put that value, load value up to 52.5. We write here same value here 52.5 plus 2 class intervals plus 2 class interval over 66.5. Very simple step. Now moving the next step. Next step is upper class boundaries. You can write here upper class boundary. Next step is here upper class boundary, which is we can say that x. Now given that upper class boundary, very simple. UCB shows upper class boundary. Upper class boundary. UCB shows upper class boundary. Here we given upper class, these are low class boundary and these are upper class boundary. We will write here upper class boundary. We will write here upper class boundaries. 52.5, 54.5, 56.5 upper class boundary. I am writing here upper class boundary is 58.5, 60.5, 62.5, next 64.5, and last is 66.5, and that will be, as you know that, normal distribution. As you know that in normal distribution has shape of minus 22 plus 20. We already know that normal distribution has shape from minus 22 plus 20. So that will be here will be over 60, so that will be infinity. I hope that you are clear accepting that normal distribution has range from minus 20 to plus 20. That interval will be here will be infinity, of lower to plus infinity. Next clear? Now moving that next point. Next point is very simple. Now I'm calculating here z. Now I'm calculating here z, which is standard normal variable. Z is equal to x minus mu divided by sigma. Now I'm calculating z is equal to x minus mu over sigma. Very simple step. Now I'm calculating here. Z is equal to, Z is a standard normal variable. Very simple step. X is value is given, mu is given 60, and sigma is given 2.5. Now I'm calculating that. Very simple step. 52.5. I'm writing here 52.5 minus x mu value is given 60 divided by sigma is 2.5. Now I'm calculating here 52.5 minus 60 divided by 2.5. Get that value 28.5. We get that value here is 28.5. Sorry, 52.5 minus 60 expression value divided by 2.5, we get that value minus 3.0. We get that value minus 3.0. Next moving step, next step is simple. I'm writing here 54.5. Next value 54. X value is given 54. 54.5 minus 60. Mean value is 60. Answer. Next, divided by sigma 2.5. We get the value minus 2.2. Minus 2.2. Next step 56.5. 56.5 minus 60, answer, then divided by 2.5, we get the value minus 1.4. Minus 1.4. Next 58.5. 58.5 minus 60 divided by answer, then divided by 2.5. We get the value minus 0.6. Next step 60.5. 60.5 minus 60 divided answer, then divided by 2.5. We get that value 0.2. Next 62.5. 62.5 minus 60 answer, then divided by 2.5. We get that value 1.0. We get that value 1.0. Next 64.5. 64.5 minus 60 answer, then divided by 2.5. We get that value 1.8. We get that value here 1.8. Next 66.5. 66.5 minus 60 answer, then divided by 2.5. We get that value 2.6. Next, infinity will be same here. Infinity will be same. I hope that you have clear concept in that. Now moving that next step. Next step is very important. So don't skip that video. Very important step I'm calculating conceptually. Next moving that next step is probability. Now I'm calculating probabilities of normal distributions. Probability of z less than small z, capital Z less than small z is equal to phi of small z. Now I'm calculating here probabilities. Very simple step, very easy step I will use here. Now I will use that table. Page number 354, Shem Mohammed Chaudhary part 1 book here. Table is given here. Cumulative standard normal probability. Table is very large, but I am writing here the values which are used in these calculations. That's where is given z and this value is given 0.0. Now I'm calculating that value. First of all, I clear your concept that you know that 5 minus z is equal to 1 minus phi of z. We already know that 5 minus of z is equal to 1 minus phi of z. You already know that. Next value is minus 3.0. Now I'm calculating the probabilities. Here value is 5 minus 3.0. Value is given is equal to 1 minus. Now I'm calculating probabilities for each value of that. 1 minus 5 bracket 3.0. Next 1 minus 5 3.0 calculating here. Here is value is given 3.0. 3.0 approximate value is this 0 to 0 0.9987. 0.9987. 9987. Now I'm calculating here 1 minus subtracting that 0.9987. 1 minus 0.9987. We get that value 0.003. We get that value 0.031. We get that value here 0.0013. We get that value 0.0013. I hope that we are clear with that next step. Now moving that next step. Next step we calculate here minus 2.2. Similarly, we will follow step 5 bracket minus 2.2 is equal to 1 minus phi of 2.2. Phi minus that minus 2.2 is equal to 1 minus phi of 2.2. Phi 2.2. 2.2 value is here given 0.9861. 0.9861. Next, 1 minus 0.9861, we get that value 0.0139. 0.0139. Next step is when is I can get minus 1.4. 5 minus 1.4 is equal to 1 minus 5 of 1.4 is equal to 1 minus 1.4 value is given 0.9192. 0.9192. 1 minus 0.9192. Next, 1 minus 0.9192. We get a value 0.0808. 0.0808. We get a value 0.0808. Correct it as you. Next, minus 0.6. Next step is here. We are getting here 5 minus 0.6 is equal to 1 minus 0.6. 5 minus of z is equal to 1 minus 5 of z is equal to 1 minus 0.6 value is given 0.7257. 0.7257. Next, 1 minus 0.7257. 7257. 1 minus 0.7257 get a value 0.2743. 0.2743. Next step very simple. These are positive values. They will be simple. Next step is very easy. Negative values I have solved that. Now I am solving that positive values. Positive values here 0.2. Phi 0.2. Phi 0.2 is equal to 0.2 value is 0.5793. It will be 0.5793. 5793 next 1.0. 1.0 value is 0.8413. 0.8413. Phi of 0. We can see that next 1.8. 1.0 value is phi of that value 0.9641. 0.9641. Next step very simple 2.6. 2.6 0.9953. Next step infinity. We already know that. I am telling you secret and key points here which nobody tells you about that. Phi minus 20 is equal to 0. Phi plus 20 is equal to 1. Phi 0 is equal to 0.5. Must remember that. I am telling you secret and key points. Phi minus 20 is 0. Phi plus 21. Phi 0 0.5. So phi plus 20 is equal to 1. 1.000. 4 digits. Next. I hope that you have clear concept in that. Now moving here, assigning number of groups. And last column here, assigning number of groups. Assigning number of groups. Next step very simple. Here the value is given 1 point tetra 0. 1 point and I am telling you secret and key point for how to use random number table and how to make assigning number of groups. That's our assigning number which we will make very simple in that step. Now next step we neglect that decimal. We get 10,000 minus 1 is equal to tetra 9, which shows that these are 4 digital. 1 2 3 4 4 digital. I hope that you clear. I neglect that decimal, last decimal. 10,000 minus 1 is equal to tetra, and these are 4 digital. We can say that the group will be made 0 0 0 to 9 9 9. We can say that group will be start from 0 0 0 to tetra 9. Now with that making the assigning number of groups. These are 4 digital. Now moving that assigning number of groups 4 digital. Very simple step. I'm calculating here 0 0 1. 30 minus 1 will be 12. Very simple. 0 0 1 3 minus 1 will be 0 0 1 2. We will minus 1 minus from 1. 0 0 1 3 will be 0 0 1 2. Next, now next moving here, 0 0 dash will be 0 0 1 3 as it is. 0 0 1 3 here will be as it is. Next, that's very simple. 0 1 3 9 minus 1. 0 1 3 9 minus 1 will be 1 3 8. 0 0 1 3 9 minus 1 will be minus equal to 0.138. Next, Z will be same here. 0 1 3 9. Next, 0 8 0 0 8 0 8 minus 0 8 0 8 minus 1 will be 7. Next, 0 8 0 8 will be same here. Next, 2 7 4 3 minus 1 will be 2 7 4 2. 2 7 4 3 minus 1 will be 2 7 4 2. Dash will be same here. 2 7 4 3. Next, 5 7 9 3 minus 1. 5 7 9 2. 5 9 3 minus will be 5 7 9 2. Next, 5 7 9 3 as it is. Next, 8 4 1 3 minus 1 will be 8 4 1 2. Next step, 9 6 4 1. 8 4 1 3 will be same here as it is. Next, 9 6 4 1 minus will be 9 6 4 0. And that's will be same here. 9 6 4 1. Next will be 9 9 5 3 minus will be 9 9 5 2. And last value here 1 point. We will neglect that decimal. After that. That will be 9953 will be same here. Next, it will be how we can already know that 10,000 minus 1 will be tetra 9. Tetra 9. So I hope that you are clearly accepting that we are making the group start from tetra 0 to 99, which I already told you that. I hope that you have clear concepts in that. Now I'm using random number table. Last step is very easy. So must pass this. Next step. Last step is very easy and very important for you. Don't skip that video. Now I'm calculating random number table. Now these are random number table I'm calculating here using random number table. Using random number table, we select a random sample. We select a random sample of size 25. Size 25, and that is 4 digital. 4 digital. Next step is very simple. Using random number table, we write here. We select our random sample. That sample will be 1. Which size will be 25. These are 4 digital. We will use that 4 digital. Very simple step I'm using here. Next step is very simple. Is given value 537. 5374. We will select 4 values. This is 4 digital shows that we select 4 values. 5374. 5374. Next, size will be 25. We will gain values 25. 574. Next, 6338. 6338. That size is 4. 4 digital. Next, 3530. 3530. Next, 6343. 6343. Next, 9825. 9825. Next, 0263. 0263. Next, 0263. 6455. 6455. Next, 8507. 8507. Next, 585. 585. 5854. 5854. Next, 3485. 3485. Next, 0392. 0392. 6295. 6295. Here value is given 6295. 0845. 0845. Next, 0708. 0708. Next, 0185 0185. Next 0185 7284 7284. Next 8878 8878 4517 4517 96676 9676. Next 4331 4331. Next 5044 5044. Next 2266 2266. Next 9624 9624. And next 3173. And last 7860. So that is 25 samples. Size sample of size tag. The sample is 1, but size is 25. These are 25 values. These are 25 values. Last step very simple. Next step is here corresponding values of x. Corresponding values of x. Last step is very important. Next step is here corresponding values of x. You can do himself. I tell you secret and key point here. His value is 5374. Next step value is here. First of all, I will here 5374. We will search that value in that group. These groups are given. 5 will search that value. Which interval lies that value? 5374. 5374. 5374 which lie in 5374 which lie in that group. That's corresponding value of x. X is given here is that corresponding value of x is 16.5. That will be value is 60.5. Clear? Next 6338. 6338 will be 6338 will be in that group. That corresponding value of x is 62.5. We put here 60 and up to so. Next step is very simply we search that value in that group corresponding value. Next step is that I hope that you have clear concept in that you can do it easily. You can do next step is you can do it easily. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, then kindly must subscribe to my YouTube channel and must press bell icon button for get notification of my new lecture. Goodbye.